YouTube, good morning. Another day, another video. So today ay Wednesday and off ako ngayon sa work. So naisip, day off ko. So naisip ko na mag-breakfast kami sa labas kasi matagal nang hindi kami lumabas na yung breakfast ba sa restaurant. So ngayon naisipan namin, si Jacob wala ngayon, dinrop off namin dun sa school. May pasok siya. So yeah, I know. Sad, pero kailangan niya pumasok sa school. So ngayon, meron kami nakita, Ben and Florentine, parang breakfast and lunch. So parang gusto naming i-try kasi hindi pa namin natatry itong restaurant na to. So it's 9 o'clock. No, it's too late na rin sa breakfast, pero 9 o'clock kasi yung pasok ni Jacob. But anyways, so let's check it out. Yeah, let's go. Si Bryce. Guys, ang sarap ngayon ng araw.
Yeah, mainit ngayon. Magpa-plus 10 daw ngayon. Spring na. Ayan si Bryce. Ayan yung restaurant.
Ben and Florentine.
Pasok tayo, guys. Try natin.
Hello guys, welcome kayo sa restaurant namin.
Table for two.
Okay, yeah, well, we'll see you just next time. Wait by the door.
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay,
grab some menus.
Yeah.
This section isn't open. So
I thought this is the...
No.
Sakit? Ito siya, guys. Ben and Florentine. Maganda yung ambience dito.
First time.
Malaki siya, no?
Tingnan mo naman yung mga nila. Sasarap sa mga picture no? Sana masarap sa personal.
Sabi, masarap daw dito.
Oh, sabi nila masarap daw. Pero, tingnan mo naman
Ano, Daddy? Kamusta ang menu? May napili ka na ba?
Parang gusto kong orderin lahat. So what's this most likely like people ordered it? Like most of everything?
Probably the first page, the combos, because you get a little bit of everything. Like you get a little,
But
this one.
can you customize it?
a little bit. So
Like instead of
instead of potatoes, yeah, you can do like
Yeah, here,
turnip
yeah.
charge, or you can do tomato slices. We have a couple options.
Oh.
If you don't like either of the meats, you can substitute them as well.
Dami,
Yeah,
guys.
you can.
Mami, anong gusto mo?
Favorite. Eggs din.
Pwede mo order ka na naman ng iba? Sa chorus, laging yan ang ino-order
Pero sa
mo.
iba na meron siyang avocado at saka
Kaya pala may avocado.
Yan
pala yung niya.
Yung avocado.
Yan ang goal niya ngayon Morning daw avocado. Kaya nagmumukhang avocado na siya.
Sabi daw nakaka-help daw Nakaka-help sa breastfeeding saka sa pag-lose ng weight, guys.
So tara, order na siya, ako na lang hindi. So titignan ko. I want this one, the one that you suggest.
Crispy French toast.
Yeah, but can I change it? Should I keep the... You said I can change it to waffle.
Yeah, if you want. The crispy French toast is really good.
Just have this,
Yeah, I just want this one. And then can I have ham instead of a bacon?
Yep.
You're
And
gonna
then
have
sunny
this?
side. Yeah, I'm gonna have this one.
That's good.
Sunny side up. And then this one, what is the choices for the potato?
We just have the cube ones.
It's the cube.
Yeah, we don't shredded ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't have the whole?
Hash brown, you mean? I don't think no
Okay.
hash brown.
That's
These are
fine.
the hash browns. They're like, cube.
Oh,
cubes.
then. Okay, that's fine. That's it.
Did you want it with the chocolate or caramel? On top.
Chocolate or caramel for your...
No, I'm thinking chocolate. Yeah, that's mine though.
Oh.
And then it comes with toast as well. So we have white, whole wheat, rye,
White.
multi-grain white toast. Okay.
Oh my God.
It's a big It's so good.
Grabe naman. Ang laki pala nito. Serving nila.
This is So good.
Cheese. Yan mo naman yan. Oh my God.
Sarap. Oh my God. Look. So good. Ang laki guys. Mas sulit to.
Sabi yung ano, serving ang dami. Tapos, ang sarap.
Guys, ang sarap na to.
Wow.
Masarap to guys. May flavor yung ano nila, hash brown nila.
Ganun sa'yo, oh.
Ano? Masarap talaga promise.
Ito, sarapan na siya.
Talaga. Oh.
Tignan mo siya, ano?
Sulit. Oh my God.
Tulad na tulit ba?
Sarap na.
Ayan.
Bacon.
Bacon. Okay. Ang dami kong in-order, oh. Ewan ko kung mauubos ko to. Pero syempre kakayanin. Tara guys, kain tayo. Ang dami tong in-order ko.
Ang laki ng serving nila, no?
Wow. Ito, hot sauce. Hot sauce tayo.
This is really good.
The potatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they have like a seasoning on them. Okay?
Thank you.
Wow. Wow.
Sarap niya. Grabe. No?
Oo. Grabe guys. Mas masarap dito kaysa yung kinakainan namin. Ano ito, mami?
So, mukhang may new favorite ka na.
Lahat
Ano? Ano sabi mo?
approved. Paniguradong babalikan ko to.
How about yan? Sausage? Sige, tikman mo.
Ano yung sausage, oh?
Malaki din sausage nila eh. Ayan, guys.
Oo, mas mahaba nga eh. Ha? Ano mo naman?
Sige, tikman mo. Microwaves.
Diba?
Sarap.
Good.
Apple sauce.
Eh, meron palang ano dun sa ilalim. Right, oh. The best.
Sige, kain. Maubos kaya niya yan, guys. We'll see. We'll find out.
Wow.
Mamaya, matitikman ni Bryce yung kinain ko sa breast milk. Tulog na tulog si Pogi, oh. Oh, tatry niya na yung ano. Finale. Ano yan? Is it good?
It's good here. It's good, yeah. Ayan.
Ano yan, guys? French toast na may strawberry, banana, and chocolate drizzle.
Yung combination ng Nutella, strawberry, saka banana, saka yung bread,
French toast kasi yan, gamsa.
French toast. French o fresh?
French toast.
French toast, grabe. Sulit na sulit. Ang sarap. Kaso busog na ako, guys. Yeah, guys. Ang dami pa, oh. Grabe. Okay. Ready tayo. Overall, masarap, to be honest. Hindi ko na-expect to. Pero lahat, yung potato, yung ham, yung sausage nila, tapos yung sandwich, grabe. Yan, oh.
Ang daming serving sa'yo.
Daming servings. Saka sulit, saka mabilis pa na serving nila. So honestly, I'm happy lahat ng ano nito ng pagkain nila patok pwede. So yan ang opinion ko. Kaya for sure babalik kami dito. Honestly, it's good. Everything is good. Ayan na, nagising na si Dapogi. Yeah, it's so good. Definitely, we're gonna come back. We're gonna try the different pagkain nila. Yeah, try namin yung mga ibang ano naman nila, pagkain menu. So, but yeah, number one. Parang sa akin, parang isa sa top choices ko na pang breakfast. Which is talagang masarap. Masarap lahat sila. Ayan guys, try nyo yan. Ben and Florentine. Grabe, suabe. It's good. Really good. Whew! That was heavy.
Yeah, but it's good.
But it's good.
Really good.
Yeah, really good.
Laking portion.
Malaking portion, masarap. As in, lahat sulit. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, dito na nagtatapos ang aming video. And sana patuloy nyo kami suportahan. And don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Anyways, guys, God bless everyone.